What up, mi gente? ¿Qué es lo que hay? Hoy le voy a preparar a pasta that I used to make when I was 12, 13 years old. That's one of the first time I learned how to cook. And I'm gonna show you how I make it. It tastes so good, but this time I'm actually gonna use this pasta that's base is on higher protein. Let's try it. It tastes as good and it's delicious and you're going to enjoy it. Okay, so stay tuned. Remember, gotta invest in one of these. So now what I do is I take all the fat off. You see that? That's no good for me. I don't like that. If you like that, you can keep it there, but I don't like to chew on no cartilage. I just don't. So you can remove that. Alright. I like to add a little bit of this. I don't know about you, I don't like to waste time. So in the meantime, when you're cutting the chicken, start boiling the water for the pasta and start your pan where you're gonna be cooking your chicken, because you don't want to waste time and then you have to wait for that. Make sure you just keep it on low, the pan for the where you're gonna be cooking the chicken. The water of the pasta is fine, because that's when the water is boiling, that's when you're gonna add the pasta. Alright, I'm gonna go with a knife. So I like to cut chicken. This is a sharp knife, guys. I don't want to be there like taking forever cutting this chicken through, but so here you have it. It's one. There you go. I'll be seasoning this chicken with some salt, black pepper, and that marinade that actually the sofrito that I made the other day, the recipe is on my page. You can look it up to learn how to make it. Gives it so much flavor, guys. Just try, add that on that chicken. You don't need to add any garlic. I do like to add onions and peppers. Even though this has already onions and peppers, I like to add that on the chicken because I just like to feel the crunchiness from the pepper and the onions. I wash my hands. I'm gonna be adding a tablespoon. I actually added a half tablespoon, but I like things a little extra, so I'm gonna go for a little extra and a little extra of the sofrito because it is delicious. I'm gonna be adding a little vinegar, just a tiny pinch, black pepper, even though that sofrito already has black pepper, but I like to taste the black pepper. You really don't need any salt here. You're gonna be adding a half a cube of the chicken cube. That's what you're gonna be needing. So I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already marinated the chicken with the sofrito. Now I'm gonna be adding to the pan aceite, olive oil. Eso es olive oil. Eso es olive oil. Now it's really hot. Just wait. Don't put the chicken inside the pan when it's cold. Not. I'm gonna catch you. Don't do that. And it's already hot. Make sure you put the chicken when it's hot like this. See? Move it around. Now you're gonna be adding that chicken on that pan. Let it cook. You'll see it's just chicken breast. It takes quick to cook, maybe 8 minutes. So let's see how it's gonna be looking. Okay guys, so this is the pasta I was saying. I don't know if you can see due to the lighting, but it's angel hair. You can put any type. I use this one when I'm eating healthy. I'm gonna make another version of how I make it, because when I watch my macros and how I make my pasta is delicious. So you can make it with this. You know what I'm saying? Has 17 grams of protein and it tastes just as the same. All right, guys, so according to this label here, read your labels too, guys. I'm gonna show you another video of how to read your labels, but according to this, it just says 6 minutes. And just stir. So what I do is pan full, I place it inside the water, I lower the heat, and when it gets a little, you know, loose on the waist, whatever, you just stir it around. You know what I'm trying to say. Now the chicken is cooking, and I will show you how it's going, or what are the following steps. So now all you have to do is cover it, not all the way completely, because this you know, don't have the little things. If you let that close, that whole cover is gonna fall. Just keep a little like that, the air comes out. Grab the chicken, which was cooking on the other side, but this is how it's looking. Gonna flip it over. How good that chicken looks. You guys will hear the smell is amazing. See the color? Look at that. Oh my god. Little more. Don't forget that you're gonna be taking this chicken out because you're gonna be making another sauce. The sauce. Let it cook for a few more minutes. Okay, guys, you hear that chicken sizzling? Put it on a side. Back on the fire, guys. So these are the ingredients that you're gonna be needing. I don't waste anything, as you guys know, even this going in that pasta. So what I do, I cut it really little, like the peppers, how I did it here. I'm anal like that. If you like cream, I'm gonna go with that alternative. You can use heavy cream, American cheese. You know, you gotta make that pasta nice and cheesy. If you like cheese like me, you're gonna have a half of onion, half of chicken cube. And if you want to add a little of Goya, go ahead. This has black pepper ready, some oregano. You have it again. Okay, guys, so the pan is on medium heat. So tú le vas a ponerle ahí, you know, a little bit of olive oil. This is how I cut my onion. So if you want to cut it like in small pieces, right? I don't like to waste time. What I do is I go in the middle, a little upward. And what I do is just keep cutting. If your knife is not sharp, guys, guess what? What's gonna happen? You know, I don't need to answer that. It has to be sharp. See? Nice and tiny, because that's going to disappear. Now I like to take everything, hug everything together, right? Because I don't like to waste time. So there you go. Look, I don't know what happened to my butcher knife. Somebody took it. I want to know who's the thief, because I had a good butcher knife here. Now I gotta go out of my way to go buy it. Okay, guys, remember I told you about the chicken cube? What I did is I put a little bit of water. I put it in there, and then I put it in the microwave, because I really don't like the big chunk here, because it can stay whole, some pieces, and then you chew on it, and then you have that big chunk. I don't know, I just don't like to do that. I like to do it, you know, sometimes, not all the time. Depends what I'm cooking. Okay, guys, I'm gonna actually add some olives. I totally forgot about the olives. This is up to you. I like olives. It gives it a nice flavor. Trust me. So I like to put it in small pieces. It depends the dish that I'm making. Like I said, that's how my brain works. So I'm gonna be adding that to the pan. Let me just go back here. Okay, so you're gonna stir that in. You see how beautiful that looks? Wow, good job, Kaz. All right, so you're gonna keep it like that, and then what you're gonna do is, in the meantime, guys, clean like that. You don't have all those dishes back there waiting for you when you finish eating. I clean as I go. Clean as I go. This is ready. So now you know what's ready. The light cream. You're gonna be adding that, maybe half of this carton, medium. And guess what else, guys? Cheese. You're gonna be adding the cheese. I like to cover it, let that melt, and then cover again. Cheese. Remember, guys, cheese is really high in salt, so that's why I like to limit. Okay, guys, you see how it's not everything is blended in, right? So now you're gonna be adding you can either add the pasta, whatever. Just add the pasta, whatever is closer to you. I know the pasta I didn't drain it for a reason because I want some of this water in there. So you're gonna be adding the pasta. There you go, toda esa pasta. Now you're gonna be stirring all that pasta, guys. See how nice that is? Look. See how nice and creamy that pasta is? Oh, Lord. The chicken. You're gonna be adding that chicken in there. It's so creamy, guys. Oh my God, and it's delicious. It's so good. I eat this with bread. I haven't eaten bread for a long time. Kids will love this, I'm telling you. They don't even know there's vegetable in there. They don't even know there's vegetable. Okay, guys, I already finished with my pasta, my childhood, my first dish. I remember I used to use macaroni with it. And now I use a different version. I play around with everything, and I can't wait to bring you and show you more recipes that I have came up, Spanish, Italian. I just like to play around with food. It's good to be creative and learn, you know, what you're capable of. Don't stay limited, and just enjoy the things that you love and you have passion for. It makes you grow. Nice, creamy with American cheese pasta is so delicious. Enjoy it. Just give me your feedback, how if you really made it. It's really quick, guys. It just takes maybe less than 15 minutes to make, I swear. There you go. It's nice and creamy. So this is how I serve it. I actually like pan de aguas. Some, you know, me, I'm Dominican. You know you know which one bread I'm talking about. So I like to add bread. You eat this with bread. You just open it up in the middle, make a little sandwich, put it in your mouth, guys, and you're gonna see a Dios comiendo arroz. Ay, 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 ay. Deliciosa. Trátenlo. Los niños, kids gonna love it. Adults, just try it. It's done. Really hot. Take a bite with the chicken. Guys, so good. I can cook my food because when I'm not there, I can't eat it. But please, please appreciate it. Any comments or any dish that you guys want me to cook, please just forward your recipe. I would like to try. I see you.